Okay, so when it comes to meme coin trading, you need tools, yeah, but you don't need a lot of tools. You just need, I'd say, a good 5, yeah. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you the top 3 most important tools that you actually need to become a successful meme coin trader. Because at the end of the day, you don't need to rely on, complicated setups or signal groups or magical indicators or whatever. The 3 tools that I'm going to share in this video give me market context, early information, and basically efficiency, let's say. So yeah, without further ado, let me break down these 3 tools. So tool number 1, probably the most important, is wallet tracking. Oh my days, yeah. This is beautiful. I don't think even in the stock market or even the Forex market, you can even like see other people buying and stuff. So yeah, this is such a goated tool. Okay, so tracking wallets, yeah. Meme coins aren't moved by, charts and stuff. They're actually moved by wallets, believe it or not. So with tracking wallets, what wallet tracking basically allows you to see who bought, what price they bought, when they sell, and how much they actually hold as well. I would say having a good wallet list and being able to track these wallets the right way will dramatically change your trading for the better. Because the thing is, if you have a good wallet list, then you have a huge advantage on just the average trader that doesn't have a good wallet list. Because for example, say if you have a list of 20 to 50 good wallets that are profitable, that you can see when they trade, how much they trade, whatever, then you're seeing in real time their trading. I'm not saying you need to copy them, but just investigate, see what they're buying. If they if you like the coin that they buy, then, and obviously you've done all your research or whatever, then just buy the coin, innit? You know what I mean? I'm not saying that following wallets is going to be like your saving grace, but I'm telling you right now, it's going to dramatically increase your trading ability 100%. And also it adds conviction into your plays as well, because say if you see a coin and I don't know, like 20 wallets that you follow are already in this coin and they haven't sold, well, it's kind of like a good sign. It's like, yo, well, if these good traders like this coin and I also like this coin, then this coin should do all right. So yeah, I would say having a good list of wallets to follow is crucial in your meme coin trading journey. Crucial. All right, just a quick one, guys. If you are struggling with meme coin trading, either you're losing money, getting rugged, or just feel flat out confused, you are not alone. The main problem is that there is a ton of information in this space. Most people learn it either the wrong way or just flat out learn the wrong things. And that's why I have built a complete meme coin trading manual. It's basically like a step-by-step manual in how to become a beginner to advanced meme coin trader. The reason why I made this is because meme coin trading has a very steep learning curve, and without structure, most people will end up losing money before they've even understood the game. And if you are serious about becoming a profitable meme coin trader and you want to make money, the link to my manual is in the description box below. And without further ado, let's get back into the video. Okay, tool number 2 is having a good Twitter following list. Yeah. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Because at the end of the day, meme coins are just a attention-based token, basically. Because when it comes to news and real-time like meme coin data, Twitter is a #1 tool for you. And basically, to fully utilize this tool, you'll need to be following the right people. Because following the right people will tell you where the attention is going / flowing, what narratives are forming, who is early to these ideas, all crypto-related news happening in real time as well. Having a good grasp on the meme coin space on Twitter will give you a big advantage and an insight of obviously the trenches and the market as a whole. If the right accounts start following a project or a theme / narrative, that is a good signal as well. And also Twitter is probably the best way to network with other traders as well. Yeah, super important tool. Because at the end of the day, you could have the best strategy in the world, but if you don't have a good idea / understanding of what's going on in the crypto Twitter space, then your strategy is, falling behind a little bit. Okay, tool number 3, probably my favorite tool, and no one will ever tell you this, to be fair, is having a good mouse. Yeah, having a good mouse. And what do I mean by having a good mouse? I'll show you exactly what I mean. This sounds stupid, yeah, but having a good mouse brings such like fluidity, smoothness, and efficiency to my trading. Because the thing is, in the meme coin space, you need to move fast, yeah, because obviously the meme coins move fast anyway, so you need to have a tool that will help you move fast. And having a good mouse allows you to move fast in this market. So what mouse am I talking about? The mouse I'm talking about is actually a mouse with a lot of buttons on it. And what these buttons on the mouse allow you to do is basically add keyboard shortcuts to them. So for example, this is my mouse. I believe it's a Logitech Master 2X or something. And basically this is the kind of setup that I have. So these 2 buttons are my back and forward buttons. Say if I click on a chart and I want to go back to the pulse page, instead of me clicking the back button in the top left corner, which takes like a long time within the meme coin space, I can just click that button and it takes me back instead of having to go all the way into the top left corner. And the same applies to the forward button. Say if I want to, go back to looking at that chart, I'd click the forward button and it would take me back onto the chart. Yeah, very, very useful. Okay, also the button on the top of the mouse is basically my paste button. Obviously in this space you need to be able to copy and paste, CAs and stuff. Instead of having to right click every time you want to paste something, I just click this button and basically it just paste the CA. Very, very useful, saves me a lot of time as well. Okay, moving on to the wheel button. Obviously every time you click on the wheel it has this like sort of button engraved into it. This is basically my screen grab tool, and this tool is very useful for me. Say if I need to basically quickly grab a tweet or I need to screenshot a chart to send to my friend or whatever, I'll just do this and I'll send it to him. Very, very easy and convenient. Also, this mouse has a thumb button as well, probably my most used one as well. It basically allows me to switch from like apps to apps. So say if I want to go to Telegram and I want to quickly go from Telegram to my Axiom account, then I'll just click this button and it does it automatically. So useful, so very useful. And all of these button shortcuts working together to basically make my trading experience that much quicker and efficient. Yeah, 10 out of 10, I would recommend this. If you did like this video, please leave a like, comment, and also subscribe. And until next time, it's been your boy. I'm out.